That's an example of a QuantumESPRESSO calculation. So you have the calculation object that is this one here, and actually with the mouse, voila. And it has some input nodes, and you're going to work first on those kind of objects. So the code object, that is representing a code that you're executing on a remote or not remote machine. A structure object that is representing a crystal structure or a molecule. Parameters, that is just basically a dictionary with some values and some parameters like the cutoff, etc. K points, which represent your brilliant zone sampling, and UPF data, which represents a pseudo-potential. So the idea of this morning is to try to familiarize with those things, and this afternoon you will actually build such a graph, so you will build a calculation by generating all this stuff. And in the end, so when you then submit the calculation, you get some outputs. So here you have a remote data that is an object on the cluster that represents file that you're producing but not storing. Folder data, which represents stuff that you are actually storing. And parameters that are really the essential quantities you want to store even in a database that you can then later query. So basically, this is quite small and very important. This is a bit less important but still stored, so still important. And this is just all the stuff that is produced by the code that you don't really need later.